This is an overview guide on how to answer question 1 from the British Step Study of Paper 2. The question will always be phrased just like this: describe 2 features of, and it will always be for 4 marks. The idea of this overview is that you understand how you're expected to answer the question to get the most marks possible. As you go through the questions on the website, you will now know what you need to do. All 4 marks will be awarded for AO1, which is all about demonstrating your knowledge and understanding of the period. Think of this question as 2 sets of 2 marks. The first mark will be awarded for identifying the feature, and the second mark will be awarded for supporting information, which is where you explain the feature in a little bit more detail. Keeping this nice and straightforward can be really helpful. You don't have to write a lot. Give the feature in 1 sentence and give your supporting information in another sentence. This makes it much easier for the examiner to see that you've ticked both of those boxes. Here's an example from the early Elizabethan England option. Describe 2 features of education in Elizabethan England for 4 marks. And here are some examples of points you could make to answer this question. Let's look at the first example together. Our feature is schooling was not compulsory, and that will award you 1 mark. The next part of this point is most children were needed to work or help in the home, and that will get you your 2nd mark. And you can see that supporting information is explaining the feature in a little bit more detail. It's a good opportunity to bring in your existing knowledge and show the examiner how much you know about the topic.